Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is a video for beginners. And somebody asked me why or when you would change a text to a curve. Text or text. You can see right here, this is Arial at 150 points. Once you convert it to a curve, it's no longer a text, and you can't do much with it, or you can do a lot with it. If you have the shape tool and you grab this deal, you can do this, you can hold down your shift key and separate the words. But once it is a curve, you can no longer do that. A couple of reasons you want to change a text to a curve is if you draw in your house and you go out to your shop and you've drawn something and that computer does not have that font, then it's going to look for another font. The other reason you want to use the text to a curve is if you want to change it. So let's go up here and ungroup this, click on our text tool, and we get nodes. And this would be one case that you'd want to do this with a curve. You can take your nodes, holding down your control button, and you can move shapes around because it's a curve now. And you can completely change the way the text look. Like if you want this part of the E a little bit shorter, if you hold down the control button, you can't, it'll go into 15 degree. If you do not hold down the control button and you do this, you can move off of it a little bit. But if you hold down the control button, you can go right along those lines and make that E shorter. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.